Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar found further ground, and that is markets heading further towards that topside level, which is seen as the 60-day moving average, which is around 64 cents or 64.0515. From there, break would give further scope up towards 64.70 and maybe even on towards 65 cents. I like the way this pattern is formed after the bullish hammer, and along with that, with the RSI breaking, looks like the market could see further gains, with any pullback likely to be limited around 63.30. Euro also found further momentum after posting a weak dragonfly doji and then another doji for indecisiveness, and now looking further to the upside, which could see the challenge I'm viewing of 107 figure 15. A break there would give further scope up towards 109. Although the market has been somewhat heavily over the last few weeks, I feel the balls are back in play, and therefore this year the .yen was weaker overnight and now looking towards that key level of 148.75. If the market breaks there, it would give further scope down to towards that level of 147.5 to 144, where the broad base holds. In light of the current pattern, it has broken down, so I do support a further bearish case for $yen. Looking to the pound, it has improved, but still not clearing that trend line, which is seen roughly around 122. A break there would give further scope up towards 123 or even towards 124 as we look towards Super Thursday, with an expected hold from the Bank of England with no rate decision. Finishing off with gold, after pushing through the level of 2000, the market pulled back and now looking a little bit to the weaker side, and that could see a further downward move, and a break of 1,987 reinstates the downside potential to around 1,968. Wrapping up with oil, the market was weaker, but still holding above that key level of $82 a barrel. A break there would give further scope and look towards 78. In light of the rejection of the midway point on the RSI, I would feel there could be a break and therefore see further weakness coming into oil and look towards that 78 before any correction. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the interest report. Hope you enjoyed the great start to the day.